My name is Louise, and today I'm filming my second update for the Partners in Cream Project Pan. This was created by Steph Lyons and DaLin from Outward Processing. And let me see, I have the rules here. So it's a product, or it's a project with a quarterly refresh. You get to use 3 to 6 products rolling style, year-long updates the 10th of every month, with monthly updates. So I had, losing all my stuff, four things in this project. So let's just go through them in the order from how I've introduced them. What? Yeah. The first product is the Kiko Milano Smart Color Mascara in 05. My goal was to use it 10 times, and I have done that now. I used it 3 times for the February update, and up until now I've used it an additional 7, so 10 uses. It's nice. I don't mind it, but it doesn't hold a curl. It's not spectacular in any way, but I liked it. I like the nostalgia vibes, I'll use it. It's fine. So that one. I will be rolling it out, and I'm confused, but quarterly refresh, that's after 3 months. Is this a quarterly refresh? No. And then the second item was the NYX Angel Food Cake Butter Gloss. And I have used it. I have a 20 use goal. I used it 3 times for the last update, and this update I've used it an additional 2 times. So 5 out of the 20 uses. 5 out of the 20 uses. So yeah, we have a ways to go. Yes, it's pretty. It smells nice. I like it. The color's nice. It smells super nice. So yeah, not going anywhere. The third product in this project is the Stilo Eyeshadow Fresh Effect Eyeshadow in Moon River from Chanel. And I have showed it before. I will show it again. It is starting to do this, or it does this. But it still does give a really nice effect. There's nothing wrong with the product other than the fact that it's falling off, but still performs well. The thing with this item, though, that makes it a little difficult for me to use is that it gives a very nice, shimmery base. I know, I'll show you. It gives a very nice shimmery base. Very fun because it's very cooling. Can you see? Oh, hold on, there. Yeah, you see? I played with other colors, that's why it's a little yellow. But yeah, it's very sheeny, very pretty. The thing is, whatever you put on top, this will show through, and that's fine. But it does make every look very shiny. Yeah. So, all that to say, my goal is to use it 21 times. Last month, or last update, I used it 3 times, and now I've used it 4 times. So 7 of the 21 uses, a third of the way, but I really hope this doesn't take me another 2 months. I don't love it that much. So anyway, that one. And that was the, oh wait, I'm forgetting. I had one more thing. The fourth item is the Catrice Brush Ink Tattoo Liner in Waterproof. It still performs nice enough. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, that's a black line. But it's starting to dry out, and I think you can see the bristles. It's looking worse for wear. No, I've used it for months, so I feel like it's okay if I consider this one finished. But the swatch makes me feel a little guilty, but it's too finicky around. I cannot. I don't. No, it's fine. So that one is done. We will be throwing it out. So that leaves me with 2 items. I would like to add at least one more. The only one I've thought of, I guess, is sunscreen. I'm not that good at using sunscreen. I do live in the far north. What UV rays are actually reaching my face? It's still not direct sunlight in any shape or form during the day, unless I go skiing, and then then you get the reflection of the sun in the snow, so you definitely have to wear sunscreen. But I'd like to just get into the swing of using sunscreen, you know? Like preparing for summer kind of thing, which is far away, but. So I want to add the sunscreen for face. Swedish pharmacy brand. It's okay. Yeah. So I would like to use this daily, and I guess my goal will be to finish it because, you know, I can't keep this. I bought it, I think, last summer. So yeah. And then I kind of want to add a fourth product, but what does that add? I'm like racking my brain to try and figure out a fourth item. But, you know, in the spirit of keeping this simple and joyful, I'm going to only use these 3 products in this project. So, the NYX Angel Food Cake, the Chanel Moon River, and the Apoteket Solcrème in SPF 50. So, yes, that was my update for the Partners in Cream. A little like not that exciting, but just keep it simple, be kind to yourself. That's my goal. So in the spirit of being kind to yourself, stay safe, wash your hands, get vaccinated or get your booster shot, and I will see you in a month, April 10th, with a new Partners in Cream update.